machine for the manual. Let me know when I'm getting too close. Lord, it's been a rough day. I am actually working for Never Ready Construction. And I believe it was Charles Daniel that named this company. We was here Saturday, the job wasn't ready. We here today, job still not ready. But we did the best we can. That's why I enjoy working for Bourbon and White. I get to drink good bourbon and watch people try to work. But you don't want to hear all that. You want to hear Bourbon and White new movie. That's what you want to hear about. We are now finished the Bourbon Boss. This video is all about Sweet Tea, a lovely young lady that we're introducing that's going to be my mixologist. Now, pay close attention to her because she is very, very smooth. And did I not say lovely? So sit back and enjoy the intro to Sweet Tea and enjoy the bourbon.
Strong.